up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Gallatin, Tennessee at the Wil-ro Incorporated Truck Bodies factory, and this is my first time here, so I'm not sure what to expect. This will actually be my first time meeting their crew, and I know we're gonna get a shop tour, maybe a couple other exciting things. I don't know what to expect, but it's gonna be a good day, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, so we've been exploring, and of course, these beautiful rigs behind me caught my eye. They were over there in the yard, and they're like, do you want to drive them? And I said, absolutely. So they have them pulled up here in front of the shop, and we're gonna drive them a little bit and see what we think. So these are ones, they're customers' vehicles. So these two just got truck bodies put on them, and this one is actually the truck bodies being built. So it doesn't have one on it just yet, but you can only imagine it's gonna look great. So let's do it. So we've got some extreme diversity going on here. We've got a Kenworth, an International, and a Mack. Are you nervous for me? Oh, okay, perfect.
It's really not much different other than your brakes are going to be a lot
touchier?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
So other than that, it's just the same that you put on the brakes.
So this isn't, that's nothing, that's, oh, okay. I'm like, is that like a little baby clutch, or so it's just normal, okay.
It's just a standard automatic, so you just got brake and gas.
Perfect.
And the only
Perfect.
now it's just normal.
Oh wow, this is amazing. The brakes are a little different. Oh, you can hear me? That's so funny. Oh, I'm like, oh, sorry. That's so funny. Awesome. I'll roll this window up. I love it. I need one. I don't know how to roll the window up. Oh, they're crank windows. Yeah. 5 stars. Absolutely love it. Good. The brakes are, that's the first time I've driven something with air brakes. So that's a little touchy. Yeah, they're definitely touchy. Does the hydraulics work on this? Yeah, absolutely. I'm like playing with a bunch of toys right now.
You want to do it?
Yeah. And then it's going now? Oh my gosh. It goes back up the other way?
Yep.
That is so cool. Awesome. Super cool.
All there is to it.
Perfect. So we'll
And then
push
flip.
that or pull. Well, that I can mark that off my bucket list. How cool. It's like, I'm brainstorming, what could we use one of these for? Buy a truckload of gummy worms and yeah. This is easy, right? This is the same. Oh, perfect. Oh, this is nice. This is daily. Yeah, we could use this just to drive every day. I'm gonna back up just a tiny bit. Yeah, absolutely. Just a quick Red Bull run in the International. No big deal. Yeah, this is brand new, right? Also? Well, I guess clearly, right? Oh, the plastic on it, wow. So what kind of bed is going on this one? That is so cool. Does this have air brakes? I'm gonna be a professional by the time we're done. Oh wow. The air ride seats. This is what my Kodiak has. Air ride seats, so they're super comfortable. Nice. And this is brand new too. I really like this one. I want to drive this one again with you in it. This is my favorite. Yeah. I love this one. This one's my favorite. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's just really comfortable to drive. And the air brakes aren't quite as touchy, but it might just be maybe that now I've got the hang of it a little bit. He said they don't normally get a lot of Max. It's more like the Internationals and Kenworths.
About the Mac about it?
I don't know, it just was really smooth and it seemed easier to drive, yeah. But of course I love the dump bed on this one though.
You want to try welding?
Sure, absolutely.
Or anything else you want to do?
Anything, I'm down for whatever.
Alright, let's get you a level and try some welding. Thanks, Cody.
How exciting.
Alright,
As many welders as I've been around that were going to teach me to weld and we've never done it. And now today we're going to do it. That's exciting. Cool. Are we doing that? So let's see how This is gonna be cooler than what I thought. A female teaching me how to weld, that's even better. Women empowerment, we love it. She is, I love her. Yeah. That's like, there's been so many people that, even when I worked at Sparks, they're like, we'll teach you how to weld, but we never got around to it. So I'm so excited. You can't look, huh? See, that's the hardest part, is not being able to watch. Oh.
So either backwards or on, whatever you prefer. Tell me when it's good.
Yep, that's good.
So when this comes down, it'll be dark, but when you hit
Gotcha.
the trigger,
Then it whites it out.
you'll be able to see it.
Perfect.
Just hold it like this. Kind of brace your hand. You brace it with this hand. Just kind of like do a little looping motion like
Okay.
that. Just go. You don't have to go super fast. Just like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
Kind of like that.
Perfect. Are you
Sure you've never done this before?
really?
Yeah.
I think you're messing with us. It looks like you've done that before.
And I'm really blind, like I can't see very well, so
That's pretty
if I
good for your
could see
first
better, it
time.
might be better. Awesome.
Good job.
Cool.
Set that up.
Start more over here and kind of go along like that.
So have it like in front of you. I put my weight on my left leg, or like start on the right and then kind of switch the steering.
Okay.
Yeah, just try to keep, if you can see well enough of that, just try to keep that right above the crap, because it'll slow down as you do it.
Okay, perfect.
You want to try to keep this the same distance away from the
Oh, I'm getting a little too close.
well, you're getting a little bit too far away.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, so try to keep it at the same distance away.
Okay. That's what I was expecting the whole time.
Oh my god.
Those are pretty rough. Yeah, that's not too bad. I got kind of carried away. I got too confident, huh?
That's perfect.
I got a little carried away.
That's all right.
You can stay like about this distance.
Okay.
This distance away.
Perfect.
No, hard up.
A little better.
Yes, look at that.
Awesome. It's a little better.
Good job.
I'm so
Ooh.
impressed. That's great.
Yay. Awesome. Well, thank you. Super cool.
You want to try it vertical?
Yeah, sure. I'll try anything. Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for taking the time to teach us.
Absolutely.
Do you want to tell? This is Lori, by the way. She's a badass. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's really fun. Like, I always hear people say they enjoy welding, but that is really, really fun. And the perfect first time welding. Like, such a great experience. I love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming along on my adventure here in Gallatin, Tennessee at the Wil-ro Truck Bodies Company. Who knew today would be a day of so many firsts? I got to drive a dump truck. I got to learn how to weld and meet some really amazing people. So I absolutely loved today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See ya.